Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delightful enchilada sauce for gummies. We're crafting a unique sweet and spicy topping that will elevate your favorite chewy treats. First, gather all your ingredients, like a 1/4 cup of chili powder, 1 cup of sugar, and 2 cups of fruit puree. Precision in measuring is key for the perfect balance of flavors. Make sure your saucepan and whisk are clean and ready to go. Now, let's start building our flavor base. In a separate bowl, thoroughly combine your dry ingredients, such as the chili powder and sugar, ensuring they are well mixed. Next, gently warm your chosen fruit puree in a small saucepan over medium-low heat until it just begins to simmer. Then, gradually whisk the dry spice mixture into the warm fruit puree, stirring continuously until the mixture is completely smooth and lump-free. With your base combined, it's time to simmer the sauce to perfection. Reduce the heat to low and let the mixture gently simmer for approximately 10 minutes. It's important to stir constantly during this stage to prevent any sticking to the bottom of the pan and to ensure even cooking. You'll notice the sauce will gradually thicken, developing a lovely, pourable consistency that's perfect for coating your gummies. Our delicious enchilada gummy sauce is almost ready. Once it has reached the desired thickness, remove the saucepan from the heat and allow the sauce to cool completely to room temperature. This cooling step is crucial for the best texture. Finally, generously pour your cooled, sweet, and spicy sauce over your favorite gummy candies. Any leftover sauce can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 1 week.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.